Good morning everyone and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So I'm Shalman H. Sumandal. I'm the first reporter of Virgilio Gaspar Enriquez. So the pioneer of Psychological Filipino. So our objective is to be able to know what is Psychological Filipino, to be able to discuss the basic tenets and principles in Psychological Filipino, and to be able to understand the approaches and the methods of Psychological Filipino, and to be able to know the four affiliations of Psychological Filipino. So first is, what is Psychological Filipino? So according to the definitions, according to its definitions, ang Psychological Filipino daw is ito yung behaviors or habits natin as a Filipino. So yung mga knowledge through experiences natin, yung mga emotions natin, yung mga awareness natin. So yun po yung mga yun po yung Psychological Filipino. Also Psychological Filipino daw can reflect the history, language, arts, and common experiences of Filipino of Asian heritage. So Virgilio Enriquez proposed that unique Filipino personhood or pagkataong Filipino. So, let's move to Virgilio Gaspar Enriquez. So, sino nga ba si Virgilio Gaspar Enriquez? So, si Virgilio Gaspar Enriquez daw is also known as a Doc E, was a social psychologist and the father of Filipino psychologists or ama ng Psychological Filipino. And pinanganak siya noong November 24, 1942 at Santol, Balagtas, formerly Biga, Bulacan. So, siya po yung pinaka-youngest child among 5 children of Arsenio Libran Enriquez and Rosario Galvas Gaspar. So, si Virgilio Gaspar Enriquez daw was trained by his father noon nung bata pa siya. Dinuruan siya masyado ng kanyang tatay na magsalita ng Tagalog, like magsalita ng Tagalog dahil mahal nila masyado ang kultura or cultures ng ating pagiging Filipino. So for example, tinuruan ng kanyang tatay si Virgilio na like yung sa PhD dissertation which was written in English, pinabasa niya ito at pina-explain sa kanya into Tagalog para mas maintindihan niya or para mas matuto siya para paano magsalita ng Filipino language. So si Virgilio Gaspar Enriquez daw formally initiated into psychology in 1963. He started teaching at University of the Philippines UP as early as 1965. So si Virgilio Gaspar daw is nagtuturo na siya ng psychology sa UP or University of the Philippines as early as 1965. So in 1966, he left for United States to pursue a master then later doctoral degree in psychology at Northwestern University at Evanston, Illinois. So while si Enriquez nasa Evanston, Illinois, napanood niya yung disenchantment of young students activism in the Philippines over the deteriorating political and social conditions of the country. So back then, the time of 1966, it was the day of Ferdinand Marcos. Na-witness ni Enriquez how chaotic or how the students in UP is enchanted about the political or the educational system in the Philippines. So na-eager siya na matutunan niya yung mother of teaching in the Filipino. So after that, Virgilio started preparing for the teaching of psychology in Filipino and had a number of discussions and arguments with his friends and professors at Northern University such as Ernest de Colli, Sarches, and Donald Campbell. So his Western education actually drove him to be more Filipino-oriented in his teaching and research in psychology. So after niya daw mag-aral sa ibang bansa sa Western University, umuwi siya sa Pilipinas noong 1971 and mas lalo siyang na-motivate to be more Filipino-oriented. Mas lalo siyang na-inspired magturo ng Filipino psychologist dahil hindi niya tinuro yung mga natutunan niya sa ibang bansa sa Pilipinas dahil magkaiba ng perspective ang Filipino psychologist doon dahil sa Pilipinas is na we're not practicing individualistic. So mas si Enriquez is mas na-motivate siya na gumawa ng mga research, which is then after research, then establish na yung mga yung the Philippine Psychology Research House, also known as called PPRH, and which later on become the Philippine Psychology Research and Training Home House, PPRTH, and it become home to materials one Psychology Filipino going to its present size of more than 10 references. So this mga na-establish ni Enriquez is napaka helpful sa mga students ng mga Filipino psychologists or psychology fields, dahil it has 10 references. Hindi na sila mahirapan, napaka importante nitong mga na-establish ni Enriquez, dahil mas lalong napapalawak yung mga idea ng mga students when it comes sa Psychology Filipino. So, si Enriquez daw is naging chairman of the Department of Psychology noong 1977 and to 1982. I-motivate niya yung mga students niya to write their papers in Filipino to discover the importance of the ethnic concepts, thus contributing to the growth of national language. So, si Enriquez daw is one of the leader of the thesis, the psychology, the linguistic, the anthropology, one of the philosopher. So si Enriquez daw is really influenced the psychology student back then, before even the Filipino psychologists. So he really made a lot of popular books that can help the Filipino students or the field of psychology, So Enriquez received numerous awards during his lifetime, fellowships, scholarships, recognitions, and grants both in the Philippines and internationally. Outstanding Young Scientist of the Philippines National Academy of Science and Technology noon 1982, National Achievement in the Social Sciences Award 1972 by the National Research Council. So si Enriquez daw is not only is kilala siya nationally or locally. So akalain mo yun, si Enriquez really made impact to the Filipinos para mas malaki yung naging contribute ni Enriquez sa ating pagiging Filipino. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.